Hi, hello Luke. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Hello?
Hi, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Tes
sir.
tes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Please turn on your camera, Luke. Could you turn on your
What?
camera?
Right.
Could you turn on your camera? Okay. Okay. How are you, Luke, today? How are you? Hello. I'm
Hello?
Taufik, but okay, okay. Okay. So sorry. I just checking the chat box. Okay, wait a minute, Luke. Let me share my screen to you. And how was your weekend? I think on the last weekend, we'll do the Pascha, yeah, or Good Friday. Maybe do you celebrate it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we'll start our lesson today then, yeah. Look, I will share my screen to you. Do you still remember what the materials that you learned on the previous week?
QB.
What was it about? Kiwi. Yes, yeah, totally correct. We are learning about Kiwi. And I think there's something wrong with your account, right? And Quarks, yeah. You cannot log into your Visual Studio Code, yeah, from Algorithmics.
No, sir, I cannot.
Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, then. No worries. Because we will wrap up our lesson, especially in the mobile development, and we'll learn how to build some applications, yeah, using Google Colab. Okay, so without any further ado, I will share my screen to you. And this one, yeah, from prototype to MVP. Do you have any plan for today? Maybe you want to go to the beach or anything
No,
else
sir.
to the mall? There's no plan?
No, sir.
Okay. So, when we are talking about the building and mobile applications, we can call it as a prototype. What do you have in mind when we are talking about prototype? What is a prototype?
Kind of the designing stage of a thing, the first functional model.
Yes. Yes, yeah. It's like uh the first versions of your published project. Yeah, that is correct. Okay. And we will use the Kanban board, but because it's a private class, and I think it won't necessary for us. And then you can just use yeah, we will directly to use the new Kiwi, yeah, Kiwi additional functions. And I'm kind of forget where do you I mean, what is the last materials that we learned, yeah, from the previous lessons? So can you share your screen and we'll do continue to our project? Yeah. Okay. So please share your screen to create a new Visual Studio Code. Okay, open your Visual Studio Code ya, look. Mm-mm. Okay. What is that? Why so many line in there? Wait. Let me show you. Let me show you how to do that. You can click Control. Oh, why is that? Okay. Okay. Look, you can go to this file. Click this file.
Sir.
Oh my God. What is that? Yeah. Okay. Nah. Go to the file bar. Mm-hmm. Click in here. Okay. The file in here. Look. Yes. And then you can create a new file. Yeah. In here in the Python Pro. Yes. Right click. Oh, no, 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 no. New folder. Yeah. Uh, Building mobile applications.
Sorry, sir. What?
Building mobile apps. Mobile underscore apps. Mobile underscore apps. Not welding. Building. Okay, enter, and then right right click in here, new file. Yeah, okay. Uh, main dot no 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 main example.py. Example.py. Python py. Yes, okay. And then go to the main. Hmm, okay. Try to copy the number three. We will run the number three or number five. Number five. Number five is okay. No 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 number three. Yeah. Sorry.
Hmm?
Look. Wait a minute. Yeah. Copy the number three to the example.py. Yeah. Have you copied the number three to the example? Look. Yeah. Okay. Try to play it. Control S first. Yeah. Python debugger. Hmm. Oh, the B. Wait. Oh, the L is uppercase. Yeah. The L is uppercase. Okay, run it again. Yes, Control S first. Save it and then run it again. Save this file and then run it again. Oh my God, what is that? Uh, Button. Wait ya. Hmm. Uh, is there any reason to use Kiwi over PyQt? Yeah, because we will make an APK ya. I will other than mobile compatibility. Hmm, I guess no. And also, I think the Kiwi, the advantages of the Kiwi is like you don't have to use several Python file to create different pages. I think that's only the main reason why we are using Kiwi instead of IQT. Hmm, it's supposed to be like this. Button text equals yeah. You miss the text as an argument in here. The text in here. No, 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 no. No, that's all. That's already correct. We don't have to change that. Yeah, this one you need to change. I don't know, but Qt make more sense in terms of the layouts and code. Yeah, because we just you have apa? You haven't used to it. Save it and then run again. Okay, can you share your Share your whole screen. Look, change your share screen and then share your whole screen ya. Okay, go ahead. Please share your screen again. The whole screen ya, not only the Visual Studio Code. When you click the share, you need to click the upper box to share your whole screen. Okay. Okay, this one, yeah. So this is really simple to make a button and also to make a labels. Yeah, as you already coded in there. Okay. Okay. Have any questions? Even simpler and Qt though. Yeah, you can close it. You can close it. Close it and just look over the code. See, it's really simple. Yeah. I think it's complicated because the last our last lessons there's so many errors. Yeah, and also your internet connection is unstable. So you got the perceptions that the Kiwi is hard. Yeah. Okay. So let's say I will give you this one. Now this one, yeah, this is much more complicated program, but it's only 10 lines longer. Yeah. Okay. I will give you the code, yeah, to make the apa the yeah to screen. Yeah. So if you want to use the PyQt, you need to use two files to do that, and we can use it only once, only one file to make a different screen. You can copy it because this is from our lessons. It's supposed to be our apa from the previous lessons. EV multi-screen. Now this one, look, you can click the Google Docs on the chat Zoom. In the chat Zoom, yeah, click the Google Docs. Yes, and then you need to copy this one, yeah. Copy this code and then create a new file. Mhm. Yes, and then go to the Visual Studio Code. Yes, and create a new file, yeah. You can remove the okay, yeah, okay. We call it as a multiscreen.py. Later on, you will be confused. Okay, if you want to name it, run it Python debugger. Okay, switch to another screen, and it will change to another screen. Okay, okay. So we will create a simple calculators, yeah, to publish this project or to publish an app. So you can install it on your mobile phone. You can close it this one, and then uh, right click in this one, create a new file, yeah. Create a new file, and we call it as a calculator.py. So I already coded before, and I will show you how this is
I want to
up.
try it myself, sir.
What is that?
I want to try it myself.
What do you say? Look,
I'd rather try it myself.
ah, what did you say before?
I'll try it myself.
What time, Lesa? What is that?
I will try it myself.
Oh, you will try it yourself. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, try to make like this. Yeah, I will show you. Wait.
Um,
Nah, it's only a reference ya for you ya. So this one. Wait, let me share my screen first, and then you can share your screen ya. If you have any question, ask me. So I will create a simple calculators. Yeah, where you can calculate the geometry
no,
like
sir. I will
a.
do it. I will figure out how to do it myself.
Okay, okay. This is the interface ya. This is the interface that you will create. Yeah, it's really simple. Okay, for example, if you input the lingkaran, yeah, and then you will calculate the geometry of the shape. Yeah, you can input the
Okay.
apa jari-jari, and then click the button, and it will give you the luas lingkaran.
What is that?
Geometry calculator.
What is the input and output?
The input is the geometry shape. The output is the luas lingkaran, the volume, the area number of the
Oh,
geometry shape.
okay.
Okay. Okay, I will let you to code it by yourself for about 20 minutes, I guess. And if in 20 minutes you couldn't do that, I will give you the code, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. So share your screen, go ahead. Share your screen, yeah? You haven't shared it. What are all the inputs that it asks for and how to take input? Okay, so if you want to take input, this one. You can use text input. Yeah, there's a text input in the Kiwi. Yeah, or I will show you on your screen. Yeah. Nah, it really depends. The input it really depends on the shape itself. Yeah, for example, lingkaran, it will show apa? It will ask the radius, and then if the apa triangle, it will ask you about the height and also the alas. What is that alas? Persegi and yeah, yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, and jajar genjang, it's also the side of the geometries. Don't forget to input apa? To import the text input ya. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Import. Yes, yes. No, 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 no. No, that's already correct. Import. You don't forget the import. Yeah. Okay. If you have any clue, just ask me ya. Okay, because you want to do it by yourself. Just if you have if you need some clue, tell me. Look, I need to go to the bathroom. Wait a minute, yeah. Wait a minute. Have any questions? Look, no. Okay. Okay, after you add a new button, you can create new label, yeah, to show the result. And yeah, it really depends on you, yeah. If you have any ideas, if you have any other ideas.
Sir,
Yeah,
is this how it works?
what do you say?
Is this how it works?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
Is this how it works?
Is this how it works? Yeah, but you forgot to don't forget to run the app, apa the app. How do you run it?
No, will this add everything to the layout?
Wait. Self layout, add widget. Yeah, you
And
already
this one?
written the layout, right?
What about this one?
The menu. Yeah, you need to input. Uh, you need to add the widget as well, yeah. So you can put a new self layout add widget and call the self menu.
Just like this, sir?
Yeah, okay, try to run it. Oh yeah, yeah, on the bottom of the screen. Yeah, my app run. Okay.
Hmm.
There's error. My app object has no. Oh no, you need to read the error first. Run it again, yeah. I haven't I haven't read it yet. Nih, my app object has not reboot the layout. Ah, Oh, don't forget the self layout in here. No, 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 no. That's already correct. No, you just add a new self in here. Self dot layout. Yeah, okay. Run it again. Run it again. Look, save it first. Yeah, control save and run. Hmm. If you want to add widget, no, you cannot. You cannot do that. We cannot combine it. We cannot like put a widget inside the add widget. No, you need to separate it to create a new line. So separate this one. Uh, yes. Okay. Hmm. See what happened? The orientation is default horizontal. Yeah. So that's why your layout will go to the right side. If you want to change it, just use orientation vertical and then use spacing 10 in the box layout.
Here?
In here. Using orientation vertical, so all the layout will go from the top of the applications to the bottom of the apps. Okay, run it. Hmm. Yeah, okay. This is already correct, yeah? Okay, there's so many things to do to complete this task, yeah? But I will send the file to you, yeah? Because we have a
No, sir.
limited time. And I will give you,
No, I can finish this, I think.
yeah? Wait, yeah, let me send the Google Docs link to you. This one is supposed to be calculate. Look, you can click link before that. Create a new file, yeah, in the build in here. Yes, create a new file. Just give a solution.py, solution.py. Yes, and then click the link on the chat zone and copy that code to your files, yeah. Okay. Try to run the apa the solution ya.
No, sir. I want to figure this one out first.
Oke then. Okay, just that apa? That is the example ya. You can continue it by yourself after that. Don't forget if you want to create a new method, you need to use the indentation apa the same indentation level. Yeah, this one it's different from the class, so you can create a new tab. No, my app.run, you don't have to do that.
Sir, how do I take the answer from this?
What do you say?
How do I take a... Hello?
Yeah.
How
What
do I
did you
take
say?
the... How do I take the thing from here?
How do you take? What do you want to take?
This.
Ah, okay. So if you want to take the input from the previous one, you can use if. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, you can use if, and also uh just call the self menu dot text and then dot lower like this. For example, you want to take say, then yeah, like this, self menu text lower. You can use the if later on. If it's the circle, what will be the formula of the area and etc. We cannot code after the return. No, we cannot do that. We couldn't do coding after the return functions. Okay,
Sir,
look. Yeah, have any questions?
isn't this supposed to be a function? Why is it white?
What do you say?
Why is it white?
Yeah, because that is correct. If it's a thread, then it's incorrect.
Okay.
Okay, that's all yeah. Do you have any question, look, before we dismiss our class?
Right?
Do you have any questions before we
Wait,
dismiss
sir.
our class?
How I want to split this one.
You want to split this one? Why
Yeah, I
you
want to make a list.
no, the calculator is only take one arguments at the time, so you don't have to split this one.
Huh?
Like for example, you input the circle, then it will be the circle only, not at the same time like circle and then what the radius. No, no, not like that.
Oh, why not?
Because we don't have to use the split. You can use three variables different, different three variables.
Yeah, but I think it'd be better to make it use split. And besides, split is not that complicated. I just forgot how to do it.
Oh yeah, so don't forget to create a new variable in there. Just yeah, for example. any variables, and then yeah, just store the split values from that. But the shape, it's not a list. This is not a list. This is only a string. Remember, you use text input in here,
Yeah,
and
sure,
it
but I
will be
remember that you can split a string into a list.
no.
Please, sir?
Split
Sir?
a string into list. Oh, okay. So what will be the separator of your input?
Space.
Okay, so yeah, you can use split, and then yes, just use the separator after that, like split, and then the argument will be the separator of itself, like comma.
Oh, yeah, I can use comma
But
instead. That probably makes sense.
okay, any questions?
No, sir.
No, yeah. Okay, so on the next lesson, we will go to the data analysis. For the mobile development, I will show you how to make an APK yeah, on the next lessons, and we'll move to the pandas data analysis yeah on the next lessons yeah on the Sunday. If you don't have any questions, I'll see you on Sunday. Bye bye. Look, good afternoon. You can continue this one yeah. Have any question? Just ask me through WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.